Hello friend, how are you? Today I wanna show you how to create a thumbnail, unique thumbnail or professional. So first click on create new in Photoshop CC and then click for here HTV 720p. This size for thumbnail 1218 by 720 pixels. So here is resolution 72, color mode is RGB 8-bit and background comment white background contents white. Okay, great. So you see here the margin line and our work in this ground or in this area. So first for example, if we make a professional we make a thumbnail about tech or any product. So first click here, unlock layer area, then click on FX Gradients overlay. So choose a background for your own content. So I select this red or here is red. You can adjust your own choice or your own related content. I just tell you for example. So I use this gradients overlay for a background. Okay, double click here, sorry, red. Okay, and like dark. Okay, you see here the background is wonderful. So I write a title, get free 400 watch time. So I add this or write anything, get free balance. Okay, so select this here and or increase. So we need a impression PNG like girls like this or this girl. So I drag this here. These are invalid image, so don't worry, I use this image. Okay. Oh, these are not PNG, these are JPG files. So I delete this file and open other files. For example, these are Indian girls. So like, yeah, this is PNG file, dragged. So I open in Paint and then change format, example 1:1. Okay, so drag again, you see here, but these are not in PNG, here is JPG. So unlock layer, click magic tool, select white area and here. Okay, and then drag to here. I'll just tell you, for example, I say again here. More deeply you can more edit. These are simple. Okay, here, or delete this, and I have one more idea for this card. Drag to here and rotate image, flip, drag here. Wow, okay. Press blur tool and blur sidebar. More and more you can do better. I write a name, Love Never Died. Love Never Died. These are not like a thumbnail, but you can use it in your own choice. Love Never Died. Okay, here is okay. I get one more girls. Control Shift L for auto leveling and drag to here. Click on image and then click on brightness and contrast. Click on selective color. Wow. Click on black for her color, hair color. Click natural for all. Okay, you can change it. We need a picture for a ground, but you can use it in your choice. So I again create clipping mask, create new layer and write your any title. For example, open this file, drag there, Control Shift L, you join our channel, our I'll just tell you, for example, join our channel for graphics. So you can change color, be like her hair, and this is already better. Okay, just your own logo here, company here. I hope this info or tutorial useful for you. I hope. Take care. Allah Hafiz.